Welcome to VCC TV. Today we have with us Mr. Sumesh Menon, co-founder of Utopia Mobile. Utopia Mobile has recently started a launchpad for startups called Catapult. But before we get into that, we want to understand what is Utopia Mobile about.
Thank you, Nishant, for having me on board. Utopia Mobile is a product and technology company. We specifically focus on mobile applications that actually help people in emerging markets who are new to the internet, who are pre-data or early data, as we like to call them, come online, right? And to achieve this, we actually work very closely with big internet publishers around the world and mobile operators in about 60 countries around the world, as far as Africa all the way to South America. And that's really been our genesis over the last 5 years.
Now, I want to understand, so what is this Catapult program and why did you come up with this launch?
Sure. So as we we took a step back and looked at what we had achieved over the last 5 years, and we have an addressable base of about 1 billion users around the world, right, in emerging markets from Mauritania all the way to Guatemala. And we realized this is a massive distribution network that a lot of young early entrepreneurs and startups would love to leverage, right? And that's really where we thought of the need that we had as a business to innovate, which is with every tech company that has. And what's happening in the market today, which is a less than buoyant environment, not so healthy investment climate. A lot of startups are kind of going through the doldrums right now. And I meet entrepreneurs every day that tell me that they are trying to figure out what our next steps is in 2016. That's the stage when we realize that a program like Catapult kind of removes the fear of failure entirely from startups, because we take care of co-working space like this. We also provide them with state-of-the-art technology, and we give them mentorship in all domains across marketing, finance, product, and management, right? Just about how to hire people and stuff like that. And that's really valuable to a lot of these young startups, right? And that's more valuable than money. So we decided to invest $3 million into our Catapult program and started looking at startups in specific domains in mobile, right?
So you've earmarked around $3 million for this project.
Yes.
And so how many startups are you looking to invest into and over what period of time?
So this is, on a yearly basis, we looked at how many people we could attract, and we looked at a number of 4 to 5 startups that we plan to bring into the program. And they have a 6-month runway to build and innovate around the product. We're looking for young entrepreneurial teams, not just a single person, maybe a pods, right, of 2 people, 4 people, 6 people who are already together, already have a shared vision, and they're actually building out something. So we want to give them as much independence as possible in order to achieve their dream, but give them as much support they need in order to get there quickly and put their entire idea on steroids.
And what kind of startups are you looking to invest in?
So we are looking at startups that are completely focused on mobile, that have a global vision, right? So we're not looking at anybody only building for one particular country, but something that can actually work, like I said, from Zambia all the way to Colombia. We are also looking at people who have a running prototype and have some user traction, have some great user feedback. And that's really all that's required to qualify for the program.
And what kind of investment would that be? So you'll be providing them in terms of technology, or you'll be putting the money to actually accelerate them, to reach to a point where they can, take off?
Yes. So the money goes across the board. We invest in technology. Even if they need to actually host on the cloud, and they need to pay the bills from the cloud. If they need to hire people, we pay the salaries and the paycheck. We take care of office infrastructure. We have a panel of experts, right? We have people who have actually been in this space and have actually built companies who are willing to help them and nurture them, right? So the investment across the board, everything that's required for the product, except for the entrepreneurial spirit. That is what these startups and these teams bring together. They bring their vision, and we provide everything else.
And Utopia Mobile itself started as a startup in 2010, and now
Yes.
you're 6 years down the line. So, and you're again launching the startup accelerator program, for the other startups. What advice would you give it to these young entrepreneurs?
So focus on your consumer, right? Forget about the noise in the market. And it is one of the things that actually happened maybe in 2015, 16, which is people started looking at other metrics that were less important than actually focusing on your consumer and building a good business. So focus on your consumer, build a good business that actually can give you returns, and build and plan in such a way that irrespective of the funding that you get, you're able to grow. So sustainable businesses, that's really what I think is the need of the hour right now.